Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to control and adjust the speed of your fans in your computer. So it's really easy. You just have to open up your browser and type speed fan. Oh, speed fan. Alright, download. And now just click on the hyperlink that says speed fan 4.52. Okay. Once you have downloaded it, you just open it up. So now it's just detecting all the fans in my computer. Alright, do not show again. And now you want to click on the configure button, go into advanced, and select the first chip, or the first option. Alright, now I have 3 fans in my computer, so I've got 3 of these. It depends on how many fans you have, so you may have 10 fans, so you have 10 of these, and so on. And you want to set it to manual set PWM. Just do it for every single one. I've done it already, so now check the remember, and now you can adjust it and control it. You can control it by clicking this button, these little buttons, or just by typing the speed. Well, it's not really speed in RPM, it's just like 25% of the maximum speed. Okay, and once you're done with this, you can just hit the minimize button and it will run out of background. So thanks for watching, guys. See ya.